Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to be discussing the pound US dollar price, as price could be on the way to the upside due to the recent announcement from the Bank of England Governor Bailey. So basically the Bank of England Governor Bailey was speaking at the London School of Economics this week, in which he spoke of the need to bring the inflation rates down in the UK. Now the inflation rate in the UK as of February actually rose to 10.4%, which was a little bit of a shock to the market. The forecast was suggesting that it would actually come below 9%, and actually came out a lot higher than estimates. This drove the price of the pound higher, because when the inflation rate increased again, it meant that the Bank of England may have to bring in a higher interest rate to bring that inflation rate down. Now the 10.4% was well above the targets for the Bank of England, which is 2%, and the governor actually said they would continue to use interest rate hikes as a tool to bring the inflation rate down. Now in the next sort of breath then you might be thinking, well, what about the banking sector? The banking sector have come under a little bit of a crisis recently due to the fact that central banks are beginning to increase interest rates. Now the Bank of England Governor Bailey said, well, actually the banking sector in the UK is very resilient and that they are well funded and supported, so we can continue to raise interest rates without any worries to the banking sector. Now bringing that onto the charts, then how can we then look for what could happen to the price of the pound versus the US dollar? Well, we've been talking a little bit about this in our week ahead analysis videos, and I really like this opportunity for price to come into the range highs. Now the range highs are around about the one spot 24.25 handle, and you can see actually price has been in this sort of range between that high and the low of the one spot 18.50 since December of 2022, and we've pretty much gone sideways ever since then. And most recently at the beginning of March, price came into the one spot 18.50 lows and we've rallied to the upside. So I'm expecting the price of pound US dollar to trade higher to the range highs here. What it does then is up to what the market deems as fair value. It does price drop and stay within the range, and do we continue this range play, or does the amount of rate hikes that are to come from the Bank of England drive price through the range highs, which would see prices continue to trade higher here? What's important though is, are we going to get to that range high, and could we potentially look to see what traders will do to get to that range high? Now you can see here at the moment, if I actually go to a 4-hour time frame and just zoom out a little bit, that price is battling with a previous high here, which is the one spot 23.25 handle. Now I mark that zone out because the last time we kind of talked about price coming into highs was down in here, and we had a bit of a reaction before breaking through. We then had this kind of spike high. We had a reaction there. Now what we did discuss was the 122 acting as support, and prices rallied from that level into the 123.25. So my feelings here is we've got almost like a minor trading range within the overall larger picture, and that if we were to stay within this minor trading range, then the one spot 22 handle may be an area where traders look for another opportunity on a cable, because you can see that it's been well supported in the past. So if price comes back to that level again, will it be well supported again? Alternatively, if price trades through the highs at the one spot 23.25 handle, that would be a significant sign that prices are going to trade higher, and that would probably lead to our move up to the one spot 24.25 handle for targets for those buyers. So a couple of different options to look at there for traders looking to get long in this market. Prices are likely to move higher because of what the Bank of England have planned with the higher interest rate hikes. So we could see the pound prices continue to rally, and the pound in general to remain strong. So thanks for watching this video update. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.